If your FPS is lower than it should be, your PC might be fighting itself. You close all your games, nothing heavy is running, yet your RAM is still full. Your CPU is busy, and your performance just doesn't feel right. That's not your hardware's fault. Modern versions of Windows come loaded with background apps, services, and features you never asked for, and they don't just sit idle. They constantly use RAM, CPU power, background resources. And when you're gaming, that means one thing: lower FPS, more stutter, and inconsistent performance. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your system using a tool called Sparkle. And we're also going to apply a few smart tweaks that can boost your FPS and reduce input delay. This isn't about breaking Windows, it's about removing what you don't need so your games can fully use your hardware. Make sure to watch until the end, and if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Step 1. Install Sparkle and prepare your system. Before making any changes, we need to set things up properly. First, download Sparkle from its official GitHub page. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're there, download the installer or portable version. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file. Install the application, then launch it. You'll get an admin prompt. Click Yes. Important: do this before anything else. Create a system restore point. Open the Start menu and search Create a Restore Point. Then click Create. This gives you a safe fallback in case anything goes wrong. Because while Sparkle is powerful, it can remove a lot of components, so it's always good to have a backup.
Step 2. Apply core performance tweaks. Once Sparkle is open, go to the Tweaks section. This is where you'll find categories like General, Performance, Privacy, Gaming, Network. Now we focus on the tweaks that actually improve performance. Enable Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Recommended for desktop PCs. This keeps your system running at full performance without aggressive power saving. Disable Background Microsoft Store apps. Prevents apps from running silently in the background. Copilot, if unused, removes unnecessary background AI features. Location tracking reduces background activity and improves privacy. Lock screen tips. Small but unnecessary background suggestions. For gaming, disable mouse acceleration. Improves consistency for aiming and input. Enable optimizations for windowed games. Improves performance in modern full screen and windowed modes. These tweaks reduce background load and improve system responsiveness and input consistency. Step 3. Debloat Windows. Remove unnecessary apps. Now we move into one of the most impactful steps, removing bloatware. Inside Sparkle, go to Debloat Windows, Apply. You'll see two methods: Sparkle Debloat, recommended, and Rapid Debloat script, more aggressive. Choose the recommended option. Now you'll get a list of apps. Remove apps you don't use, such as pre-installed games, social media apps, streaming apps, and Microsoft extras like Bing apps, Cortana, etc. Important: do not remove core system apps, drivers, things you're unsure about. Stick to obvious unused apps. Once selected, click Start Debloat. This removes unnecessary applications and reduces RAM usage, background processes, and system clutter. After this step, your system becomes noticeably lighter. Step 4. Clean system files and caches. Next, move to the Utilities section of your system maintenance process. Over time, Windows and applications accumulate leftover files that can slow down your system, increase disk usage, and cause unnecessary background activity. Cleaning these regularly helps maintain smooth performance. Run these options. Clean temporary files. Removes junk files from apps and Windows. Clean prefetch files. Clears outdated loading data. Windows will rebuild it.
empty recycle bin, frees up storage. Clean Windows Update cache, removes leftover update files. Clear thumbnail cache, fixes slow file browsing. Then, click to clean up everything. After completing these steps, your system should feel more responsive, cleaner and more efficient, less prone to random slowdowns or stutter caused by background disk activity. This step is simple but effective for maintaining long-term performance.
Step 5. Network Optimization, DNS Manager. Now we move into something most people ignore, network optimization. Even if your internet speed is good, your connection can still feel slow or inconsistent because of DNS response time. DNS is what your system uses to connect to game servers and online services. Inside Sparkle, go to DNS Manager. You'll see an option called Test All Servers. Click it. Sparkle will automatically test multiple DNS providers, such as Cloudflare, Google DNS, and OpenDNS, and then measure which one gives you the lowest response time. Once the test finishes, select the fastest DNS server for your system and apply the changes. Why this matters? Faster server lookup times, more stable connections, and reduced delays when connecting to games. This doesn't magically lower in-game ping, but it improves connection consistency and responsiveness, especially during matchmaking and server switching. Step 6. Restart and verify system improvements. After applying all tweaks and debloating, the final step is simple but essential. Restart your PC. This allows services to reload correctly, removed apps to fully disappear, and system changes to take effect. After rebooting, check Installed Apps List, RAM usage, and System Responsiveness. You should notice lower idle RAM usage, faster startup, less background activity, and smoother overall performance. So, that's how you clean up your system and remove unnecessary load using Sparkle. To recap, we did install Sparkle and create a restore point, apply core performance tweaks, debloat unused apps safely, clean system files and caches, restart and verify improvements. This isn't about forcing performance, it's about removing what's slowing your system down. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more optimization content, and share it with someone dealing with a slow PC. And as always, thanks for watching.